look at this question here. In this question we are being told that this maths timer, don't forget, use Cramer's rule to solve the system. Use Cramer's rule to solve the system. Now in this point here, we need to form a matrix of 3 by 3 so that we can find the x1, x2 and x3. Now for us to find this one here, let us now form the equation of it. Let us form the matrix of this one here. Now for us to form the matrix of this point here using Cramer's rule to solve the system, the first thing we do here is that, remember at this point here we have x1, x2, x3 equals to 2, x1 to x2 minus equals to 1, x1 minus x3 equals to 2. So the first thing I need to show you here is that we write down as x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 2. We come to the second one, that is x1 plus 2x2 plus, now we don't have x3, we write there 0 x3 equals to 1. Okay, the third one, it will be now x1, remember we don't have x3, now plus 0 x2 plus minus, because here it is minus x3 equals to 2. So let us form now the equation of it. The equation of this one here, I need to start with the first matrices, this one from here up to here, we call it, let me name it as D. Okay, D equals to, the first one here it is 1 1 1, the second one it will be 1 2 0, another, the third row it will be 1 0 negative 1. Okay, so the second dx power 1, now I need to replace dx power 1 with this one. You need to remove it. Now for me to remove that one, dx power 1 here, see, for me to remove this one, I will replace them with the ones which is equals to 2 1 2. So I replace them there, so it will be 2 1 2, then I come to the x2, that is 1 2 0, the last one, that's 1 0 negative 1. So I need to move to the second point, x2. Now that's d x2, dx2 here, the ones now I have covered it, dx2. So I start with the x1, that's 1 1 1. So because dx2 x2 I have covered it, I will replace it with this one here, that is 2 1 2, then it will be 1 0 negative 1. Okay, then the last one I need to look at, it will be dx3. dx3 now I cover it here, so I will start with x1, that's 1 1 1, the second one it will be, that is 1 2 0, the third one, because now x3 here I have covered it, I don't have it, I will replace it with this one, that is now 2 1 2. Okay, then the next thing to do here is to find the determinant of every number here. We start with the d, which is the main one, then x1 x2 x3 to find the determinant of it. So let me start with finding the determinant. Let me start finding the determinant of this point here of d. The determinant of d here, you see, it is 1 1 1 1 2 0 1 0 let's find the determinant of this one. Finding the determinant of this one, first of all, it will be, I will take, because I have shown you how to find the determinant from the previous. Now it will be 1 into, I take this minor 1, that is 2 times negative 1 minus 0 times 0. Then minus, come to the second one, that's 1 into 1 times negative 1 minus 0 times 1. Then the next one, it will be what? That is plus 1 into 1 times 0 minus 2 times 1. Okay, so here it will be what? Let me start with this one here. That is, now it is like 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. Negative 2 minus 0, that's negative 2. Negative 2 times 1, that's negative 2. Then the next one here, you see, 1 times negative 1 minus 0 times 1, that's negative 1. Negative 1 times 1, that is plus 1, you see. Then the last one here, you see, it is 1 times 0 minus 2 times 1, that is negative 2. Negative 2 times positive 1, that is negative 2. So the determinant of D here, it will be negative 2 plus 1, that is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 2, that is negative 3. That's the determinant of D alone. So we need to find the determinant of dx1. The determinant of dx1, remember it was 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, negative 1. So the determinant of this one here, it is going to be, we start with 2 here. 2, I multiply with the minor 1, that is now 2 times negative 1 minus 0 times 0 minus 1 into, because I have shown you how to do it, check on my previous videos, you will learn more about it. That's now negative 1 minus 1 into 1 times negative 1 minus 2 times 0. Okay, now this one here, 1 times this one minus 2 times this one here. Okay, then the next one is plus 1 into 1 times 0 minus 2 times 2. So the next step it will be 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. Negative 2 times 2, that's negative 4. The next one here, you see 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1, minus 2 times 0, that is 0, that's now negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, that's plus 1. Then the next step, see here, that is now 1 times 0, that's 0, minus 2 times 2, negative 2, negative 4. Negative 4 times positive 1, that's negative 4. So when I added this one here, it is going to be what? You see, that's negative 4 plus 1 minus 4, that's negative 8 plus 1, that's negative 7. That's now dx1. Okay, then the next step, you need to find, it is the determinant of x2. Determinant of x2, remember it was 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, negative 1. Now, so we need to find the determinant of that number. Okay, the determinant of this number here, it is going to be what? We start with 1 into 1 times negative 1 minus 0 times 2 minus 2 into 1 times negative 1 minus 1 times 0. Okay, then the last one plus 1 into 1 times 2 minus 1 times 1. Okay, so let me simplify them. Now it will be 1 into 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1, minus 0 times 2, that is 0. Now negative 1 minus 0, that's negative 1. Then minus 2 into 1 minus 1. 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1 times 0, that is 0. Now negative 1 minus 0, negative 1. Plus 1 into 1 times 2, that is 2. Minus 1 times 1, that's 1 now. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 times 1, then we get 1. So it will be here negative 1, positive 2, plus 1. So here it will be what? When we multiply this one here, this is 3, 1 minus 3, we get it is going to be 2. That's the determinant of dx2. So determinant of dx3, it will be what? Determinant of dx3. First of all, we need to find the matrix of it, and it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2. So the determinant of this one now it will be what? That is 1 into 2 times 2 minus 1 times 0. And then minus 1 into 1 times 2 minus 1 times 1. Then plus 2 into 1 times 0 minus 2 times 1. Okay, so now here it will be 1 into 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 minus 1 times 0, that is 0. Now 4 minus 0 will make it 4. Minus 1 into 1 times 2, that is 2. Minus 1 times 1, that is 1. 2 minus 1 we get 1. Plus 2 into 1 times 0, that is 0. Minus 2 times 1, that's negative 2. So here it will be what? 1 times 4, that is 4. Minus negative 1 times 1, that is 1. Plus 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4. So 4 minus 1, that is negative 3. Negative 3. Now this one it will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3 minus 4, that is negative 1. So that is dx3. So from here already we have dx3. After finding dx3 here, the next step we need to do is, remember, we have the first d, which it was negative 3. Then the determinant of x1 is negative 7. Determinant of x2 was 2. Then determinant of x3, it was negative 1. So from here we need to find x. Okay, now for us to find x, it will be, now x1 is equal to dx1 over d, which is equal to dx1, that's negative 7, of d is negative 3. Negative and negative, it gives you positive. Okay, so the answer it will be 7 over 3, or or 2 1 over 3. That is the first number. That's the first x1. So x2 it will be dx2 over d, which is equals to dx2, that is 2 over negative 3, which is equals to negative 2 over 3. Then x3, so x3 is equals to dx3 over d, which is equals to x3, that's negative 1 over negative 3. Negative and negativity gives you positive. Now we remain with 1 over 3. So the final answer is x1 equals to 7 over 3, x2 equals to negative 2 over 3, and x3 equals to 1 over 3. And that is now the answer. Remember, don't forget to subscribe as usual for more questions to prepare for your exams. Have a nice time and enjoy.